What's up, guys? Today I picked up these four Panini Chronicles hanger packs from Walmart. They're coming in about $15 a piece. Each one of these packs contains 3 smaller packs. We have the English Premier League, La Liga, as well as Serie A separately in there. It's 5 cards per pack. Looks like today we're looking for exclusive Astro Mojo parallels. I believe these do have numbered cards as well. Without further ado, let's get into it. So you can see here, English Premier League, La Liga, Serie A. I'm gonna break them apart like that. So throw these out, get them all open, just kind of put them in a pile, separate them. Guess we'll start with Serie A here. Move these out of the way. Turn sideways. To our first pack here, Serie A. Not too familiar with a lot of these Serie A players, to be honest with you. But we have Filippo Bandinelli. Gianluca Capari. Philip Kostic. Looks like a purple Astro. Abdu Haroui. That rookie, purple Astro. Tommaso Pobega. Let's get into the next one here. Just gonna open this one better than the first one, geez. All right. Got the Origins. Who is that? It's Olivier Giroud. Backwards card here. Valentine Carboni. Rookie. Kind of refractor looking XR. Another rookie, Charles Pickle. It's like it's another purple Astro. Good looking card. Cute Miners. Purple Mojo Prism, I believe. Then we have Secure, rookie, silver ticket. I don't think these are numbered. The Serial Dessers. Good looking card. Here's the next one. Why is it so damn hard to open? Alright. First one here is going to be Looks like it is Filippo. What? I can't read that. There's a rookie. Monza, AC Monza. Stefano Cincy. Interesting. Kind of bronzish looking refractor. AC on here. Let's see what we have. Oops. Another purple mojo. Ismail. Nice. What was his last name? Beneker. AC Mon. Good looking card. It's a playoff. Julius Beck, purple rookie. Then another rookie ticket. Fabio Moretti with Juventus. All right. Getting into this last Serie A, and we'll move on to let's do La Liga next. First card of this Chronicles, Julius Beck, rookie. David Ferroni. Another rookie card. Looks like another purple Astro. Luca DeAndre. Golden card. Next we have this Giorgio Scalvini. Looks like Atalanta. And finally we have this Marco Carnesci. That looks like a silver Phoenix. Alright. Quickly move on to the next one. So, start with La Liga. Start getting into these. Hopefully these don't give me as much trouble. Thibaut Courtois, Real Madrid, to start us off. Antonio Rayo. Mallorca, rookie card. Set that there. Robert Lewandowski, FC Barcelona. The Origins, purple Astro, it's a golden card. Season numbered. Can't see it. Got the Iker Muniain, purple mojo prism. Then lastly we have Wanmi, the base prism. That's cool. Let's get to the next one. Starting off, what do you say his name? This guy. Fede Sanamaterio. Alvaro, can't read that. Aguado. Stuck together. Rookie XR. Markel with Sevilla. Rookie purple Astro. Another purple Astro. Lautaro Blanco. It's a cool looking card. Another rookie. And then Radamel Falcao. Into the next one here. Do Exposito, it looks like. Base there. Sergio Canales, the certified, I guess, refractor. Edgar Badia with the Chronicles purple Astro. Got Arnel Martinez, the rookie purple Mojo. And lastly, Sergio Leon. And the last one for La Liga. It's gonna be a long video. Apologize for my sloppiness. Here we go. It's IMR Autos Chronicles base. Radamel Falcao. Here he is again. Cool little refractor. See the E. What does that stand for? The Essentials. Essentials. Mikel Oyarzabal, Real Sociedad. The Panini purple Mojo. We have Jose Luis Gaya. Was that Valencia? The purple Astro, I believe, as well. Then lastly, Koundé. FC Barcelona, just a base prism. PPL. Get right into it. Starting off the Origins, Stefan Bajcetic with Liverpool, rookie card. Gabriel Jesus with the XR. No, not the XR. Bruno Fernandes, Manchester United. Origins, purple Astro, good looking card. Darwin Nunez. Nice. With the certified purple Astro as well. And lastly, got the rookie ticket with Doucouré, Crystal Palace. Starting off with Meslier, playoff. So he's with Leeds. Brighton Hove Albion. We have Kadri Mitoma, a rookie XR. Another Brighton. So Purvis Stupian. No, I don't even know how you say that. So purple Astro. Jadon Sancho, Manchester United, purple Mojo, and Marcus Rashford. It's like a Silver Phoenix. Alright, let's get into the next one. Starting off with the Origins Saliba rookie. Marcus Tavernier, it's like with Bournemouth, rookie XR. Tyrell Malacia, purple Astro Origins rookie. It's a good looking card. Got the Essentials, got Wissa on the purple Astro as well. And then Jadon Sancho, the Donegan Silver. I feel like the EPL packs are always better. So I watch that league more often than others, so I know these players. Danilo, rookie, Nottingham Forest. Chronicles, looks like base. Here we have Kevin De Bruyne, Man City. Good looking card. Chelsea fan, Mason Mount, who is actually with United now. Playoff, purple Astro. Ollie Watkins with Aston Villa. Purple Mojo. Then Mudryk with the base. Prism, rookie card, looking card. Alright, got these sleeved up. Just want to show you kind of, I guess, the hits we had. The rookie tickets, always nice. Lots of rookie stuff, and, well, besides Bruno, but rookies here, Origins, XR, base Origins. Seem like the English Premier League had more high quality players. Some cool looking Mason Mount, that blue, purple Astro. And then next I'd probably say Serial. Got two of these rookie tickets, good looking cards. And several more rookie Astros. Rookie Parallels, rookie Astros. In La Liga, probably the least amount of cool cards to pull, Mojos or Astro. We do have all of these. Rookie, rookie, rookie. All of these till you come down to Lewandowski, old man Lewandowski. But, yep. If you guys want to see more, I guess like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.